Hello Epic Gamers, today I'm going to show you how to good Roblox game. So as you can see, this is my account Epic Beast 657. If you want to be me, you can't. I'll ban you. Okay, so press create. Alright, I already did because I'm cool, right? So then you press create new game, and now you're gonna wanna, all these are stupid, so you just pick this one. It's the best one. Then you press create game, and then you're gonna wanna press edit, because that's how you make the game. You see. Sorry, I ate a whole loaf of bread in 2 seconds before I started recording this video. Oh, you see, I'm an epic gamer, as you can tell here. So as you can see, it's opening our place. This is how you use Roblox Studio. And so what you're gonna want to do is put in a little guy here, right? This is your guy. So then you're gonna want to make him bigger, like that. You're gonna want to give him a little face. Here's a funny face. Funny face. You can see now I am getting a screen share from somebody who's about to witness God's creation. Now, see, this person is in no way affiliated with me. Just, you know, happened to wanting to see my game. That's not the title of the game, just so you know. It's Jake Paul. Look at him go. He's just enjoying himself. He's standing right next to me, standing close to me. That's my personal bubble. Look, he loves this boy that I made. Oh, he loves Fortnite. Yeah. Looks like he just loves his game so much. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow so you can see like, you know, how. So as you can see, it's most definitely the next day, and this game has kind of, you know, got some attention. Yeah, really thankful for everyone who shared my game. As you can see, we have lots of people playing it. Not too much. I mean, visits is alright. You can do better than that. You know, I'd say I did pretty good for being out for like 2 hours. I mean, a day. You know, because of the next day. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for a chance to win a Google Play $5 million card. Alright, I'll see you guys in hell.